Hello everybody, how are you? Fine, excellent. Today we are going to continue reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 44, reading lesson 3. Okay, page 44. Okay, Apollo and me, part 2. Remember this little friend? Yes, a bird. Okay, yes. And what happened in part 1 of the story? Do you remember? Yes. And what happened after the module landed on the moon? I know that you remember that. Okay, but in order to refresh your mind, I'm going to play another video. Okay, pay attention. Here we go.
That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Happy to learn.
Okay, excellent. You know, this is a long story, but it's interesting and has a lot of vocabulary. It have a lot of vocabulary. Okay, so we are going to listen carefully to the story, then follow uh, your teacher's instructions to read it again. Okay, you need to follow the lecture with your finger, okay, in order to understand this reading. So listen to the audio, okay, and listen carefully to the story. Okay, here we go.
Apollo and Me, Part 2. In a flash, I pressed my ears back and pulled on my helmet. I was ready to go. But when I looked over at the astronauts, I couldn't believe my eyes. First, they pulled on their large lunar overshoes. Next, they strapped bulky, portable life support systems to their backs. Oxygen hoses were next. Then came the hoses for their water-cooled underwear and their helmets with gold-plated visors. Last, they put on massive, steel-fibered gloves with rubber fingertips. They were so huge and awkward that they couldn't see me doing cartwheels over their hoses.
Okay, we are going to stop in this first page in order to check our understanding. Okay, please answer these questions in the extra pages of your book. Okay, number 1. Why do you think the little ferret was so surprised when it looked at the astronauts? According to the story says that he couldn't believe his eyes. First, they pulled on their large lunar overshoes. Next, they strapped bulky portable life support system to their backs. Oxygen hoses were next. Okay, then came the hoses for their water-cooled underwear and their helmets with gold-plated visors. Okay, next question. What was the last thing the astronauts put on? Last, they put on massive steel-filled gloves with rubber fingertips. Okay, excellent. Very cool. You did a great job. Okay, we are going to continue reading next week. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, you can do it. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.